Morning, guys. Good morning. I make a video about the reflection of a view of philosophers. Ano ba mga view ng philosophers, mga guys? Paano ba mag-isip ang mga philosophers? According to the book of philosophy, this book, Philosophy of Man, the Existent Drama, the fundamental topics in thinkers. So paano ba mag-isip ang mga philosophers? According sa books, mga guys, fellow viewers sa channel nito na The View of Philosophy. According sa ang pag-iisip ko ng mga philosopher ay how they think. Paano po ba sila mag-isip? More of questioning, answer by question. Ang mga sa English po ay what he think. Ano ba sila mag-isip ang mga kaibigas? Sila po ay nagbabase lamang sa mga guys sa kanilang sa data analysis, gathering data and evidence. But kung mag-isip naman po ang mga Christian people, more of God's providence. When mention God providence, ang pag-isip nila sa pamaraan ng Panginoon ay naibigensya ang Diyos, God evidence. So ang paniniwala nila na kung ang Diyos ang naglagay sa kanila ay about faith, paniniwala, and that is the called the law of attraction. Subconscious your mind, kung anong iyong inisip, yun ang nangyayari. That is a providence of God providence. But different sa mga philosophers. Philosophers is called thinkers with more rational reasoning, questioning the validity sa facts and katulad. According to Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher, sabi niya, everything we heard is only an opinion, is not a fact. Everything we see is only a perception, not the truth. Ang lahat ng ating nakikita ay ating naririnig ay isa lamang opinion. At lahat ating nakikita ay ating lamang pananaw sa buhay. Pero according sa isang sa librong ito, The Human Existence, ang chapter 1 nagsabi dito, the meaning of human existence. Kung ang mga Christian people, naniniwala sila na ang tao ay nagmula sa Diyos at ang tao ay kiriniit ng Panginoon at ang Panginoon ang nagagay sa kanila. But back the philosophers different thinking, because according to one of the famous and ancient philosopher, French philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre, in existentialist philosopher, according to his view, the man, life, and every meaning of value of man has to live. The decision that also make depend solely on how view himself as afterward. Sinasabi niya nga tao ang siyang nagagawa sa kanyang buhay, nor walang Diyos, walang reliyon, kundi siya ang gumagawa ng kanyang sariling buhay. Dahil yan ang view, as a view, sabi niya dito, is all about man choosing kind of the world that he wants to live in. Is the choice that will auto make the kind of person that he is. Kung anong pinili mo, ay yun ang resulta kung sino ka. Sino ba ka? Paano ka ba mag-isip? Sabi ni Jean Paul Sartre. Ganun mag-isip kasi paano siya mag-isip? Paano ba ang tao sa mundo ito? Kasi yung mga scientists naman, mag-isip po sila. Iniisip nila mga kabiliyos, mga philosophy na more of data analysis. Pero magkakaiba-iba kasi yung pananaw at paniniwala ng mga tao. This is the law of attraction. That is the human nature. Magkakaiba ang mga pananaw, pero bilang isang philosopher, you question more analysis data of skeptical evidence. No supernatural being, but in your man perspective. That is the philosophy way to think deeper and deeper. The question one is developing. I'm assuming I'm intellectual pluralism. I respect the diversity of belief and understand, and a lot of the view is different. Magkakaiba-iba talaga ang pananaw ng bawat tao. Kung atheist kasi, more social justice and human nature only. So, yung mga atheist ay naniniwala about religion is the contradict of science. So, as a Christian people who believe, religious people believe of supernatural being, divine, different perspective po sila. Pero makikita po natin na magkaiba man sila ng view o paniniwala sa ating pag-isip. Why science and God is different perspectives, words called cognitive. And philosophy and existence of human is the called cognitive. What you think, what you are. This is the view of Remy Descartes. Cognitive. Word cognitive. The word cognitive here is the one who called the play to choice. Ikaw po ang nag-choice na magawa. Sabi dito, the modern set of the stage of human drama and equip humans with implies for rights. The discovery of the thinking self has become foundation of knowledge. Kung anong iisip mo, palagi mo iisip. Sa mo, yun ay mangyayari sa buhay mo. Tapos, those ultimate what the nature means depend on man for the truth, not merely the truth itself, but the truth man from being itself to being for itself. So, but this being for itself or true as the truth for man has given tremendous power and possibility, not especially in the political realm with the power translate the public scream it means to control. So sana ang tao lamang ang gumagawa sa kanyang sariling desisyon. Yan ang views ng existentialist philosophers na si French philosopher Jean Paul. Pero iba rin ang pananaw ng mga religious belief, iba rin ang pananaw ng mga tao na mga psychologists, magkaiba-iba kasi ang mga pananaw, at that is what you heard, what that is only our opinion, kanilang opinion kung ano ba ang human existence. Iba-iba kasi yung pananaw nila. As a philosopher mindset, yung pag-iisip ng mga philosopher, how to think deeper and deeper, question deeper, who is man, what is man? The man is the actor, his life. That is the view of humanism, the value of human nature, to understand people. Yun lang yan. Kasi magkaiba-iba po tayo ng pananaw. I'm not, para sa akin, as a intellectual pluralism, I believe is different. Magkaiba-iba man pananaw sa buhay, magkaiba-iba man ang perspectives, there are pure evidence, respect, empathy, and understand for what we believe. Ano ba ang ating pinaniniwalaan? So, I'm just sharing you the thoughts of philosophers. Lack of philosophers is more of analytical reasoning and rational reasoning differing to science. Scientist is more what he think, paano sila mag-isip, ano sila mag-isip, mag-isip na ano ba ang data, ano ba ang evidence, ano ba ang tao. So why, paano ba ito, ano nangyari, sila kung ano ba, paano and what. Ang mga Christians naman is more how God made this, how God made a man. God, ang Diyos, ang gumagawa sa buhay. Yun ang kaibahan. That calls God's providence. Faith, but according to that, is in subconscious mind. What is your thinking, what you are, but different perspectives, brother. So that is the way today morning I share to you what is thinking, what is philosophers, what is scientists, what is religious people. Magkaiba-iba man sila po ng mga pananaw, pero there is an idea I share to you as a humanist thinker and opponent for intellectualism. I sharing you the difference of perspectives of the view of philosophers. I'm not discriminate of what is under. I am to speak and understand, and that's the most important. That is the view of philosophers. Thank you, and me good lucks and understand. And this is a short manifestation. What is philosophers, what scientists is, and what religious people is.